Atta has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that Qariba, the daughter of Umayyah, was under the marriage of Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. So he divorced her, and Hazrat Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu married her. Ummul Hakam, Hazrat Abu Sufyan's daughter, was also under the marriage of Iyad bin Ghanam Fihri. So he divorced her, and Abdullah bin Uthman Thaqafi married her. Hazrat Ikrimah has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, when a Christian woman embraced Islam, even a moment before his husband, she will become unlawful for him. Atta was asked about a Dhimmi woman who had embraced Islam and her husband embraced Islam during her prescribed waiting period, whether she will remain his wife. He said, no, but if she wishes, she can renew her marriage after getting dua. Mujahid says, if a husband embraces Islam during the prescribed waiting period of the woman, he can marry her. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, neither those women are lawful to them, nor are they lawful to them. Surah Al-Mutmainnah, verse 10. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5287.